This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, filling you in on what is going on. Test ride days, they started May 10th. They are going on through May 18th. Make sure you stop in and take a test ride on any new Harley-Davidson, and you're going to get this exclusive t-shirt. You're going to give us your size. We're going to bring that t-shirt in, and you're going to get a free gift. There's only a limited amount of the little flashlights, so you need to come in. There's only a few left. Come in and get that test ride. And you know what? While you're here, you're going to register to win about a 2024 Street Glide. That is part of test ride days. Come in and take advantage of that. Wait, there's more. Rolling Laconia. This is the last weekend for Rolling Laconia. You know what that means? We're going to be doing our dealership giveaways. So those of you guys that have entered, we're going to give away this kick-ass guitar signed by the one and only Jesse James Dupree. We've got the wristbands to stay at the Pappy Hall Campground the week of Sturgis. That gets you into all the concerts that are happening during the week of Sturgis. You can win one of the swag bags, or you can win the passes to the Harley-Davidson Museum. If you have never been there, you need to be. So not only are we doing our dealership giveaways, this is the last weekend to register for Rolling Laconia. You could be one of those 10 qualifiers on stage to win that 2024 Street Glide. So make sure that you stop in and get your keywords for that as well. But wait, it's all magic. Guess what's kicking off before I lose my sign? Rolling Milwaukee. That is right. You got to start thinking about the hometown rally, because that's going to be here before you know it. So when you're here, you're going to be registering to win a 24 Road Glide. Street Glide Laconia, Road Glide for Milwaukee. So if you are planning on going to Milwaukee, you need to come in and get registered, because we would love to have one of you guys on stage trying to turn that key. And then again, with all the other Rolling USA campaigns, we're going to be giving away swag bags. We're going to be giving away an autographed guitar. We're going to be giving away the museum passes and the wristbands for Pappy Hoyle, just like all the other Rolling USA campaigns. So come in and join us for that as well. What else is going on? It is car show weekend. You got a kick-ass ride? Bring it out. So there's going to be a total of 10 trophies. 8 of them are going to be best of, and then there's going to be 2 of best choice. So make sure you come in. Again, all those proceeds go to the Grant Halliburton and Hear Me Cry Foundations of North Texas. There's going to be raffles. Rod's Barbecue is going to be here. We're so excited to have his barbecue back. We got test rides going on. The American girls are going to be washing bikes. All we need is you. I think Chris is trying to tell me he doesn't want me in the ride. Again, everything's happening Saturday. As always, at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, we'll see you then. Sorry, Chris, I figured out how to get in here. We'll see you later. See you Saturday, everybody.